Hey guys, Nathan Ratalski again, and today I'm going to be doing a ukulele sound test video for my baritone uke back there. Um, so I'll give you guys some specs on it and then play a few songs, and hopefully we'll get to hear how this thing sounds after being played for a while. Alright, here we go. Alright, so today the instrument that I'm going to be reviewing is this Pinol Baritone. Like I said, I played it enough, and the sound has changed over the past couple of weeks, just because that's how solid wood instruments work. So I'll just give you like quick specs on what this instrument's made out of. Top is spruce, and it is a baritone, so it's tuned in DGBE. The headstock, the back, and the sides are all rosewood cocobolo. And I believe the neck here is mahogany, but don't quote me on that. It's a really nice instrument, so let's get to playing. Alright, so what we're going to do today is I'm going to play, for the first song, Edelweiss from The Sound of Music. It's not typically thought of as a ukulele song, but it sounds really pretty on this instrument. What I like about it, it really it incorporates the entirety of the fretboard, which again is nice. You really get to hear how this thing sounds from like upper like 1 through 3 frets all the way up to like 10th, 12th. It sounds really nice, so here we go. Alright, so again, that was Edelweiss from The Sound of Music, and like I said, it's a really pretty song. It really shows what you can do with harmony, melody, playing. For the next song, I think I'm going to focus on Can't Help Falling in Love with You by Elvis Presley, although mine is more, I think mine's more inspired by the 21 Pilots version. And while I'm playing it, I'm going to try and focus on really bringing out that the melody, because with Edelweiss, like I said, it's good, but that one focuses more on the lower undertone. This one I want to focus more on the actual melody. So while I'm playing, just listen for that. You'll really hear how this instrument pronounces the notes, and it'll be nice. Alright, here we go. Alright, so again, that was 21 Pilots or Elvis Presley, whichever one you want to call it, but Can't Help Falling in Love with You is the song name. So with that, I really like how you can hear all the different notes in it. This uke here does really well with separation of notes. It's got that nice warm tone, and it really works well with slower songs like that. For the next one, we'll pick up the pace a bit, and I'll do a faster song. It's just kind of an improv thing. Just want to show you what you can really do with this instrument. So it's not a famous song. I'm just going to be kind of improvising on here, but hopefully you get to hear what this uke can really do. Alright, so not a super hard song, not super not super complex, but it does show what this ukulele can do at higher speeds than just slower melodic songs. So I think that concludes this sound test video. I hope you all enjoyed, and I hope this is helpful. Alright, see you next time.